오.
아하!
헷! 오.
아하!
헷! 헷!
여기 리고.
Hello, hello, hello.
에코.
Nếu chị bán cho mày nha.
Let's go, let's go.
My garden!
This joke's not fun at all, Hawk. Be careful! Oh my god! Oh no! Hawk, just kidding. Don't be too happy. A new working day on the farm.
Oh, hello.
Mario is watering his fruit garden. A delicious and fresh fruit garden.
Oh! Ow! No!
Hawk, what are you doing? Just skidding a bit.
Stop it! Why did Hawk destroy Mario's fruit garden? It's unbelievable.
My garden!
This joke's not fun at all, Hawk. Where is Hawk going? Be careful! Oh my god! Oh no! Due to driving too fast, Hawk caused a serious accident. Driving fast is very dangerous. You may find it amusing, but others don't. It's annoying.
Oh, I'm sorry. Give me a chance to fix it.
Remember to go slowly.
I know.
Goodbye!
Okay, let's go.
Hawk's driving seems slower now, but where is Hawk going?
Oh, hello.
I need signal lights and speed bumps.
Okay.
This is all Hawk needs. Oh, he also needs cement. Goodbye! Hawk returns to the railway crossing. Let's start. This is probably the signal light socket. Speed bump. The road becomes safer.
Okay, let's go.
Hopefully, Hawk will learn a lesson.
Oh, strawberry seeds.
Hawk decides to bring them back for Mario. Goodbye!
Hello!
I apologize for destroying your fruit garden.
Okay. Okay.
Mario and Hawk together plant a new strawberry garden.
Many months later.
And here is the result.
Hope you won't tease me like that again.
Santa and the Christmas Wish. The Christmas atmosphere is spreading everywhere. Santa is decorating the Christmas tree. Be careful!
Hey, you go play somewhere else.
Mario and Luigi still don't stop. Oh no! Everything is falling apart!
Oh, my back.
So, everything is in ruins.
My Christmas. You two ruined my Christmas. Oh my goodness.
I will go to the forest to find another Christmas tree. Good idea. Santa, wait for me.
In the pine forest. But there are no beautiful Christmas trees left, only bare tree trunks.
What should we do? What if we plant our own Christmas tree?
Thinking leads to action. Mario picks up some pine cones and puts them back in the truck. Next, we probably need to separate the pine seeds, right? At a friend's house.
Hello?
Hello?
Can you help me separate pine seeds?
Okay. Wow, is this a pine seed separator? Let's see how the machine works. The first pine seeds have appeared. Each seed is big and round. In this way, the number of pine cones decreases. A perfect seed separator. Here are your pine seeds.
Wow, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Back at the farm. Mario brings the pine seeds. The seeds are evenly spread on the ground. Rows of seeds in straight lines, neat and tidy. Next, the seeds need to be buried in the soil.
Huh?
Why is there no water in the well?
Mario pushes a wheelbarrow to the pond to get water. Oh no!
Oh no! What if I create an automatic watering system?
Mario probably goes to buy materials.
I'm here! I want to make an automatic watering system.
Okay.
Go! Go, 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 go!
Back at the farm. This tank will be placed next to the pond. Water is taken from the pond, completing the watering system between the rows. Water starts spraying, watering the entire farm. Wow, the Christmas trees grow quickly! A whole garden of green and beautiful Christmas trees. Mario selects the most beautiful trees.
Let's go back to Santa.
There probably won't be any Christmas trees left.
Santa Claus,
Huh?
I apologize.
Very beautiful Christmas trees. Thank you.
Let's go.
Mario and the Storm Preparedness Journey.
A storm is approaching, bringing heavy rain and strong winds. People need to take precautions.
Ouch! Oh my gosh!
Oh my! There's a storm coming! Can this warehouse withstand the storm?
I should build a new warehouse in time.
Speaking and doing, Mario immediately gets on his vehicle to find and buy materials.
Hello!
Hello?
Do you have this type of wood?
I don't have it, but the farmer does.
Great, thanks. Goodbye.
At the farmer's house,
Hello. I want to buy this type of wood.
Okay, help yourself.
Mario will surely need a lot of wood.
Oops. Be careful.
Although very tired, Mario still tries to rearrange the wood sticks. The final sticks.
Finally done. Thanks, sir. Goodbye.
Bye!
The sky starts to thunder and heavy rain pours down. There! A place to take shelter from the rain.
Why does the rain keep pouring?
Continuous rain causes flooded areas and muddy puddles.
Yeah, the rain has stopped.
Another challenge? A muddy puddle?
Okay.
Mario still decides to drive through the muddy puddle. Will he make it?
Oh no, it's not working. I need your help. My car is stuck.
I'm on my way.
Hawk quickly goes to help Mario.
Hello!
Hawk, I'm here.
A spiked ring is wrapped around the car's tire. Now, can the car pass through the muddy puddle?
Let's see.
The car starts rolling, and it seems very effective. Yeah, Mario has successfully crossed the muddy puddle.
I did it.
The car is too dirty. It needs to get washed. Now, it's time for Mario to go home.
Thank you. Bye!
Goodbye.
Hello!
Mario needs to quickly build a new warehouse before the storm arrives.
I need bricks and cement. Can you deliver them for me?
The wooden sticks have come in handy.
Here are the things you need.
see how Mario builds the new warehouse.
Okay.
Wow, a sturdy and solid warehouse. Now, Mario can confidently face the incoming storm.